Hi, welcome to another Roboflow training movie. There was a question on the community portal of Canto. Um, is it possible to send out a notification to all users, for instance, that Cumulus will be in maintenance for a day or a night or some period? Or can I just send out an email notification to all users about something? Well, yes, you can. I created a workflow called Hot Collection Mail to All Users. It's a hot collection workflow, which means that it will open a Cumulus catalog, in this case the user's catalog, and it will perform a query. I did a query saying get me every record where the email address contains an @ which means that they have an email address, and then the email it needs to be sent to is a field that I will pick up when I'm processing each individual mail. So, user. In the email configuration, I set a subject, for instance, Cumulus down notification, and then I'm saying dear, and I'm picking up the record field being the first name and the last name, two fields from the user's record, and I'm saying the message that I want to send. The server will be down from January 1st 5 a.m. till January 2nd 5 a.m. And so if we have a look inside the workflow, all I do in the workflow is just pick up the user mail. And remember, I need the user's email to be able to send to them. The notification will automatically send an email to this particular user. So I'm picking it up here just by saying get me from the current record, which is a user with an email address. Pick me up the email address and store it under the variable called email. And when I run this workflow, I just say start. The workflow is executed, and if I do a show log, I will see that I have automatically processed 13 records. It just gives a message that there is no record name. Of course, this is the user's catalog is a special catalog, so it doesn't have the field record name, so it just states the IDs, and then at the end it sends out the mail to each and individual that exists in your user database. You can add additional tests if the user is this or that or whatever, but this is a simple notification. So if I check my mail and I say get mail for this user, it picks up the mail. It says Cumulus down notification, dear Peter van der Poele, which he picked up from my user. The server will be down from the IT team. So whatever message you want, could even be records that you went and searched for or whatever. And so here's how you can notify users in your system about Cumulus or something that happens with Cumulus. This was a very short demonstration of what you can use Roboflow for. Thank you for joining, and see you in another movie.